Guys, I just got my free USA number as you can see right here on my screen. Yes, I just got this US number for free. On my video today, I'm going to show you how to get US number for free. You too can get your own free USA number, which you can use to open, let's say, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, and the rest of them. This number I am making use of it for my own WhatsApp, and it's working perfectly fine. So all you need to do right now is to watch the video to the very end so that you do not miss any of it if you want to get your own free USA number. Okay guys, if you love this information about it from me, guys, can you give me a thumbs up? And if you're new to my channel, you work on my channel here. I create videos like this to help solve a social media problem, just like I'm giving you a video on how to get free US number which you can use to open any social media platform. So all you need to do is click on the subscribe button below and turn on the bell notification icon so that whenever I create more videos like this, you'll be the first to get notified. And trust me guys, I have lots more videos coming in for you on how you can get this free USA number, and I'm sure you will not want to miss that. So now let's get started on how you can get this number for yourself.
So guys, in order to get your free US number which you can use for WhatsApp, all you need to do is to go to your Play Store. Then once you're here, you click on Ding Tone, search Ding Tone. Alright, as you can see, now this is the app I'm going to be using. So all you need to do is to install this app. Okay, you need to install the app both on your App Store or your Play Store. Then once it's installed, you open it. You see the name is Second Phone Number UK and US, and this has lots more country numbers if you want it. So you open it. Okay, it says unlimited free calls with exclusive numbers, cheap to call any mobile or landline without self-that and roaming charges, 8-second local number, then free text messaging. Now get started. Okay, permission request. So you agree, you allow, then you either sign up using your mobile number or your email. So I want to use my let's go with my number. Then click on continue above here. Okay, I have to remove this 0. Continue. Okay, so you can send number suites. Let's see if the code has come in. Now please enter your name on the button. I'll just write smart tips. Continue. This is contact permission request. Dingtone accesses your contact to allow you easily call and text your family and friends. Dingtone collects numbers and names of your contact and lets you agree, allow. Then now here you can see any cell number, any group of contacts, another Dingtone user. So all you need to do is to go down here and click on connect. We have contacts, messaging, call, connect, and more. So click on connect. Alright, it says here get your first phone number, which you have to click on. As you can see here, you see the American flag, Canada, and other country flags over here. You click on it. Then now you have United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Belgium, Netherlands, Poland, Sweden, France, Puerto Rico, Czech Republic, Australia, Denmark, Romania, and there are still lots more. However, in this video, I'm showing you can get your United States phone number, so you can use it for WhatsApp, okay, for free. Then as you can see, it is even hot, which means it is high in demand. You click on plus to get. Now you can choose, let's say, nearby area code or random number. I'll be going with random number because I need any random US number. So just wait for it to load. It says, notice Dingtone phone numbers are cloud phone numbers based on VoIP technology over the cloud. Each number is real and exclusive to you. Guys, so this number they gave me now is for mine and myself alone. A Dingtone phone number has no connection with the carrier network on your device. It's no substitute plan for your current mobile phone plan, and you cannot call 911 on any emergency. I click on OK. So now, as you can see, it says it is $23.99 a year and $4 a month, which is about, let's say, $3,500 per month or 3,500 times 12 months, you should calculate it and know how much it is in a year. However, I said I'm going to share you can get it for free on this app. So what do? How can you get this phone number for free to use and get for your WhatsApp? Okay, so before I show you how we can get this number for free, guys, what I want you to do is to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel if you're not done that, and don't the notification icon so when I create more videos like this, you'll be the first to get notified. And guys, I also want you to go to the comment section and go comment how to get free US number for WhatsApp. How to get free US number for WhatsApp. This is so I can trigger the algorithm for those other people that also need this information so that they can also get to it immediately. Guys, have you done that? If you have, then let's proceed. So all you need to do is to click on this small over here. Click on this one. You see 1,200 credits per year, and click on it and get access to this number. All right, so it says here purchase 800 credits for $15.99, which we are not going to do that, and you click on earn more credits. So once you are here, the different way you can earn credits. It says here fast way to get many credits. Watch video ads 0.3 credits per video ads, and also complete an offer 5 to 100 credits per offer. Okay, so you can click on it if you want to watch ad, or you can click on this. But I feel these are small to get. These credits are quite small, and you want more credits, create a bigger value. So you go to this play games to win 100 credits. All right, once you're here, you have to click on start game to win 100 credits. Let's see, once I start the game. So this is the game right now. Okay, it says 7 minus 5 is smaller than 0, which is not correct. 9 minus 5, which is 4, yes. 3 plus 8 is equal to 9, no. 8 plus 7, which is 15, is less than 16, yes. 7 plus 8, which is equals to 15, is greater than no. Okay, they're even helping me out with the answer. 8 plus 5 is 13, which is greater than no. They're helping me out with the answer. 7 plus 5 is this, yes. So just keep on playing this game, okay, until we've answered all questions. 1 plus 1, yes. No. Okay, it took really this. How many points did you got? I don't want to play again. Let me see how many credits I'm getting for that. Okay, they might just give me just 100 credits, and which is quite small. So what you need to do is you don't also purchase credits. You want to earn 20 credits for each invited friend, and it says here get 20 credits for each new friend who signed up for Dington using your link and associated their phone number / email with no more than 1,000 credits in total. So guys, all you need to do is while signing up, guys, use my link in the description box below so you can also sign up, so I can also get free credits, so I can also purchase this for free also, and also do that and get referrals from your friends, and also get your free 1,000 credits in total. Then after getting 1,000 credits, if you want more 200, you can either play this game 2 times to get your 100 credits, or you also earn 1,000 credits by completing offers. And let's go to, let me show you the offers you have over there. Okay, now it says these are the top offers, up to 367 credits if you install this Match Masters now. It says here up to 213 credits if you play Love Water Color Shot Puzzle. Easy, sort them out and earn multi reward. Wow, 580 credits. Reach level 40 and get up to 520 credits. And you can see there are lots more ways to get more credit. And even by playing all by completing all these tasks, guys, you can get more like 2,000 credits, more than 3,000 credits. You can see over here. You can perform every task over here, and it keeps on loading until you are done with all the tasks. Okay, so once you've done any of these 1,400 credits, you go back and click on get access to this number, and automatically you purchase this free US number for WhatsApp.
So guys, I've shown you the step-by-step process on how you can get this free USA number for all verification. Okay, and all you need to do is follow the steps you saw in my video right now on the digital platform, so you can get your free number, play games, perform that, invite people, and guys, in no meantime, you're going to be getting your free USA number. And if you don't want to do that, like I said in the video, all you need to do is just to go and pay for this number. Just go and buy it, and you are good to go. Okay, I have other platforms where you can get free USA number. So if
if you don't like this method, all you need to do is check out the description box below to go check out those videos for other platforms where you can get the free USC number for verification on all social media platforms. Okay, I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next video as we discover the smart online tips. See you guys.